In this video, we will show you how to set up your Trezor device step by step. First, connect your Trezor, open Trezor Suite, and install the firmware. See our extended video about firmware and security here. Now, you will create a new wallet and back it up. Your backup takes the form of a list of words known as your recovery seed. Choose between standard or Shamir backup. You can watch our video explaining how Shamir works here. Follow the prompts on your device and on your computer screen. You will receive your seed from the device itself. Record the words carefully using pencil and paper. This is the only backup of your wallet. You will have to check a few specific words when the device instructs you. Make sure to check that your full seed is valid after the setup using the Check Backup feature in Settings. See our learning materials for this and more about the seed and security in the links in the description. Next, you will create a PIN which protects your Trezor physically. Choose a secure PIN and then confirm it on your device. You're almost there. Now, just activate the coins you want to use in your wallet and name your device. You can now store your crypto safely on your Trezor. Hopefully this video has helped you to understand how to set up your Trezor. See the links in the description for more useful information and tutorials. Thanks for watching.